Did you know that close to 80% of top performing companies have been using marketing automation for multiple years? The good news is that not only big companies can leverage this strategy, small businesses can use marketing automations as well, and they can hugely benefit from it. The big question is when to use marketing automation for a small business. From this episode, you will find out the answer to that alongside with the top marketing automation strategies that every small business should use. My name is István Bújrasó, and this is the 47 Marketing Show that reveals marketing automation strategies for busy entrepreneurs to get more done in less time in digital marketing and business. And now let's go through the list. Number 1, create and publish content to build an audience. It's not a secret that people buy from people who they know, like, and trust. And the best way to start that experience in others is by creating and publishing valuable content regularly. And those who are watching, listening to, and reading your content are turning into your audience, a group of people who know you, like you, and trust you to a certain level. Besides that, there are 3 more key benefits content creation and publishing can give you. Your contents can reach a lot more of your target audience than you could in person. What you publish is not limited to your local area, and your content work for you 24/7, 365 days, even when you are sleeping, even years after you publish them. That's why content creation and publishing is a must-have part of marketing for any businesses. With the combination of using relevant marketing automation tools and a few freelancers, you can reap the benefits of content marketing with a minimal of your own ongoing involvement. Okay, the next marketing automation on our list is number 2, give away free content to capture leads. Nowadays, an average person receives over 100 emails a day. Because of that, people tend to select who they give their email address to. No matter how amazing your product or service is, if you want to get the email address of your target audience, you need to give first before you can receive. And the best way to do that is to give away some valuable content for free as an exchange for their email address. That content can be a video or a cheat sheet or an ebook or something else that your audience finds exciting and useful. And to automate that marketing process, you can use a lead funnel, which is a great way to capture leads on autopilot. The special content that you give away serves another purpose. Your leads will get to know you, like you, and trust you to a certain level. But here's the tricky part. Most people will not be ready to buy at the first time they see you and your product. And that's why the next marketing automation is so important. And without that, nobody can grow a business efficiently. And that marketing automation is number 3, nurture leads who are not ready to buy yet. It takes time for leads to build trust in you before they invest into your product or service. That's why it is so important to nurture your leads consistently, which can be a huge task for a small business. That's where marketing automation comes to the rescue. You can set up a series of automated emails that go out to your leads daily and keep giving them value, keep building their trust, and from time to time serve them with your offers. Okay, let's move on to the next marketing automation that every small business should have in their arsenal. Wait, I gotta stop here for a moment because I want you to do me a favor. If you find this episode useful so far, then tap on the like button right now. That encourages this platform to show this content to others so they can also benefit from this episode. Thank you for your like, and now let's continue with the next marketing automation strategy. Number 4, sell valuable small products to get paying customers through the door. Trying to sell high-end products or services to somebody who doesn't know you and trust you is always difficult. The best approach to get a lot of paying customers is to offer your audience valuable small paid products like books, online courses, or other digital products. Those are also known as front-end products, which are related to your high-end product or service and they give value and build trust in your customers and make it easier for you to ascend some of those customers up on your value ladder to your main service or product. Besides that, another huge benefit of those front-end products is that you get paid while you are looking for the right high-end clients. And on top of all that, the sales of your front-end products can be fully automated through a sales funnel and email automation. With that said, let's move on to the next marketing automation on our list, which is number 5, welcome new clients to make a good first impression. The reality is that a sale is only the beginning of the relationship with your clients. That's why it is important to make a good first impression, which you can do through various automated methods. The goal is to send them a special welcome gift. Depending on the size of the client, you can find different automated and creative ways to do that. Just to give you a few examples, there are postcard services that you can use to post a personalized postcard to every new client on autopilot. It costs only a few bucks to do that per postcard, and it gives a boost to the relationship with your clients. Or if your budget lets it, you can get a third-party company to mail a whole welcome package to each client on autopilot. The time is running out, so we are going to continue this top marketing automation list in the next episode, but there is one more important thing for now. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, it helps the channel a bit, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the future videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.